Hey y'all, it's Chinaza. Welcome back to my channel for my weekly reset routine. Have you guys ever been having a really good week and then out of nowhere something bad happens and it just tries to steal your joy? Because listen y'all, that was me this week and I'm actually so proud of myself for the way that I handled it. In the past, one bad thing could happen to me and I'd let it consume me for days or even weeks at a time. It's so freeing being able to process what has happened, but then to be able to continue on and to move on, knowing that one mistake or one bad thing happening to you doesn't mean that it's the end of the world, and it doesn't mean that you're a failure or anything like that. Remember that no 24-hour period defines you. You're so much more than that, and you're worthy of celebration, even on your bad days. One thing about me, when it comes to cleaning, I'm gonna be playing some fire tunes, and of course I had to have my girl Solange on the ones and twos. Y'all ever have that one piece of furniture that you really don't like, but you also don't want to get rid of it because then you're gonna have to go through the trouble of finding a whole new piece of furniture? That's my relationship with this desk right here. As you guys can see, it literally wobbles with a simple touch. But listen, it was free, so we gonna stick beside her for now. I recently wrote out some positive affirmations, and y'all, let me just tell you, you need to do this. It's just something about being able to repeat these things to yourselves and to visualize the life that you want for yourself that makes it that much more attainable and within reach. While we're cleaning the mirror, what are you telling yourself when you're looking in it? If you're just picking out things that you don't like about yourself or being negative, that's also going to be a thought that's constantly in your head. The next time that you're looking in the mirror, I encourage you to give yourself at least one compliment. It is so important to speak words of love over yourself, guys, and I promise you, the more that you do it, the more natural that it will become. Next up, y'all, we're doing some online grocery shopping. Y'all, COVID done made me bougie because I honestly have not been grocery shopping in person like since the start of the pandemic. Your girl has been eating out a lot lately, like a lot. So I told myself, you know what? No, you're gonna go ahead and order some healthy foods so that you can make some nice home cooked meals for yourself. And I'm honestly looking forward to it because it's just nice knowing that the food that you are putting into your body is fueling your body instead of just consuming whatever you can get. And of course, one of my favorite things to do on Sundays is planning out the upcoming week. And y'all, despite all the craziness that had occurred last week, I'm actually just feeling really optimistic heading into this week. And I always like to keep a short to-do list for Sunday as well, as it just helps me ease into Monday. And one of the things that I had on the list that definitely makes my Mondays better is being able to plan out my Instagram captions for both Chinaza's Life and Chinaza's Lens, my photography page, in advance. Captions have a funny way of stressing me out. Like y'all, I will have the photos ready and everything, but that caption sometimes does not come to mind on the spot. But when I'm able to actually just set aside about 45 minutes to an hour, I can just bang out captions like it's my job. Well, I mean, it technically is my job, but y'all know what I mean. So whatever that looks like for you, if there's something that you often find stressful, I encourage you to just set time aside, maybe on a weekend, to just get it out of the way. And yeah, guys, that is the end of today's video. Thank you guys so much for staying tuned. I seriously appreciate the support, and I hope that this video was able to help you along on your journey. So remember to take things day by day, and I'm wishing you an amazing week, and I'll see you guys back next time.